What's up, Bella? Hmm? What's up? Bella, what's up? Come on. Do you want a treat? Okay, wait there, Bella. Okay, huh? Yeah, good girl. And speak. So aggressive. Well done, Bella. Oh, hello. How are you? What is that on the side of your neck? Did you roll around in shit? Oh, don't answer back to me. Okay, well, no more running around in shit. Please, thank you very much, Bella, because I'm gonna have to clean you. Yeah. Mary for the Lana. It is delish. So happy. Monopoly. Ooh. Okay, so I'm at an apartment. I have to isolate for till I get my test back from my COVID test. My results back. And I really love Monopoly, but like obviously I can't play with anyone, so I'm gonna try and play on my own. But I'm gonna give you guys a character as well, so like kind of playing virtually. So bear with me. How lonely are you? Well, playing Monopoly by myself. Okay, right. I'm seeing who am I gonna be. I'm gonna be the dinosaur, I think. You can be the penguin.
My best friend's summer used to date half in high school, which
and I'll put the car. No, I'm gonna put the duck in. Yeah, duck's cute. Not a dog, not a cat. Yeah, the duck. So do you have to go around the board once before you buy stuff?
How long do you envision this game?
Oh, go to jail. Sorry. Community chest. And I get 200 for passing. Good job.
The only alcohol left in my fridge was
oh, no, you're in jail as well.
So I just polished them off. It tasted like burnt plastic.
So I get 2 goes. 5, 6. 5, 6. I'm gonna buy it. 4 houses. I'm putting 4 houses on it. Okay, I gotta take 2 goes, remember, because you're both, one other ones are in jail, so.
Alright, who's the lucky lady?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
That's offensive.
Anyway,
Dublin Airport, I will be buying that as well. Alright, so now it's a year ago. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh no! You landed on my airport. How much was it paying me? 25. Ooh. Big ball in 25. Just gonna take that off you there. Thank you very much. Okay, so I may have left my camera outside in the rain for about 5 minutes, but I'm just going to make myself some soup. I'm making tomato soup because it's like my favorite. I always use coconut milk in my soups just because it makes it like all like creamy and nice. Then I'm putting some peppers in, courgette, a carrot, and an onion and some garlic, and that will be it. The reason I'm doing this, and then I'm going to film a video. I'm feeling great. I don't feel ill like whatsoever. So that's good. I've just been working, to be honest. Like, this is my like setup at the moment. I have my like notes. That spoon is from my lip balm because it's literally on its last legs. Yeah, like literally there's like hardly anything left in it, so I'm scooping it out with the top of the spoon. Yeah, and then I have my laptop here. Yeah, just don't mind me, I was looking, oh, never mind, okay. I was looking at a Tesla. Dreaming. That's what I was doing, dreaming, because it's good to dream. My dog took a piss in here, so she's outside now, thinking about her life and reflecting on what she done and why it was wrong. But yeah, I'm actually having a really nice time out here. Like, it's very peaceful. Okay, so Tara just done this, put her story up on thing, like a quiz to take. Okay, what's Tara's birthday? The 12th, June the 12th. I'm 95% sure. Oh my god, don't give me dates because honestly I'll fucking cry. June. Yeah, the 15th. I knew it. I knew it. Oh sugar, where's it gone? Oh no, it's the 12th. Yeah, I said the 12th, didn't I? Yeah. Alright, what's Tara's dream job? Ooh, a translator. How many siblings does Tara have? One sibling. What's Tara's favorite film? Oh, this is a Trekky one. Shrek, Shrek 2, Shrek the Third, Shrek Forever After. I'm gonna say the first one. Ah, Shrek 2. Oh my god, okay. What's Tara's middle name? Catherine, Mary, Brian, or Paul? I'm gonna say Paul. I know it's Catherine. What's Tara's favourite sport to watch? Gaelic football. What languages does Tara study? Oh, I know this one. French and Italian. If Tara could be anywhere, where would it be? Oh, Italy. What is Tara most afraid of? Oh, birds. If Tara had to eat the same food for dinner every day, what would he pick? Tara, did you put your gender in here or something? Pasta. Oh, fresh sushi. When the fuck do you ever eat sushi? I'm a good friend, okay? I scored 7 out of 10. Well, one of them I scored incorrectly by purpose, which when asking the middle name of Tara. So technically it was like 8 out of 10, so I think I'm a very good friend. Today I'm going for a walk on the beach with this bitch, Bella. Yeah, good girl. And Catherine, so I'm gonna pick her up now, and I look disgusting, but we're just gonna get past that, okay? So we're just on the beach, going for a nice little walk with Catherine.
Hello!
And Bella.
Bella, of course.
Bella just went for a little dip in the water. Intentionally by herself.
It's surface.
It's like weird. I don't even know if you can hear me because of the wind, but yeah, it's a lovely day. It's the first sunny day in like a week. So we're just trying to take as much advantage of as we can. And where else would you want to be but the beach right now? The beach. Just back from the walk now, but I just want to show you what Tara and Mum got me. It's a vegan, like, kind of sweet selection. So I'm not gonna lie, I did open it up. Actually, did I open it? Yeah, I did. Well, not fully, but I'm so excited to try these ones because I love like jellies. So yeah, I'm very excited about these. Okay, so today I'm taking the decorations, and just ignore my during speaking. I have like teeth whitening strips in at the moment, so don't even judge. Okay, right. I'm gonna have a bowl of soup. This is so nice. This is the tomato soup that I made last day, and it's so good. Okay, from this, my athletic wear, to this. There's really no difference, to be honest. So me and Tara just went to Costa. I got myself a cheese and ham sandwich, and they toasted it and everything. And we also got coffees. Tara, do you want to show them your coffee?
Yeah.
Just so you know, I'm not being rude, by the way. Tara does.
No, I'm not. I don't have my camera.
And I got a coffee as well.
Camera face on today.
Camera face.
I know if I looked back on it, I actually hate myself.
We're up in town to get paint for Tara's room. Oh, yum.
You couldn't taste that's vegan, like.
No, you really couldn't. Oh, these are vegan, by the way, also.
Vegan ham and cheese toast.
John Dean goes to me there yesterday evening. He came up and he was like, "There was a Snickers in the cupboard. Where's it gone?" I was like, "I don't fucking know." He was like, "I bet you ate it, didn't you?" And I was like, "Hardly. It's not vegan." He was like, fully convinced I ate it on him. And I was
Who
like,
did?
I don't know, Mum must have took it out to the apartment with her.
That's so funny.
As if, like, come on.
Like, yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Definitely did.
What do I have to gain from lying about it as well? Like, oh my goodness, I was like, don't be so ridiculous. Alright, talk to you in a bit. Okay, boots haul. First of all, I got deodorant. And could I say thanks to the car in front for providing me with some amazing lighting. Like, honestly, it's so fucking bright. Honestly, I got Ted Baker deodorant. This is the best one. I don't care what anyone says. Them sure ones, they don't smell as nice. Like, this one smells so nice and lasts like so long. I also got body care. Yeah, this is my favorite one to get as well because it smells so good. Oh yeah, but you can't smell it, can you? I also got Burt's Bees lip balm because Tara has it and she said it's really good, so I also got it. What is that? There we go. Oh,
Hashtag influenced.
Hashtag influenced
By me.
by Tara. No, and we also, what else did we order, Tara?
We got paint.
Oh, we did, yeah, we got paint. Woo! Tara's room is gonna look so good when it's all done. We also got Lana.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, Lana. Delicious. Delicious.
Nutritious.
Oh, that's actually way nicer like now that car's gone. Like, it's way softer. So we're just waiting now because Mum wants the Chinese. God, some people just want everything. No, I don't mind waiting 10 minutes. Tara can run over and get it.
No, I won't do that.
We have to get the car again.
You have to give her her number as well.
Oh, like her phone number?
Yeah.
Oh, 8.
Everyone text Caroline.
It's not even 085, it's like 08 something or something. I know what it is, I'm not going to say I'll on camera because...
Weird.
Yeah. We also got Maeve some little birthday things in Tesco. We got her like popping cone things, a birthday hat, a little badge that says birthday girl, and then also
really nice card.
Yeah, a really nice card.
Like really heartfelt.
Really heartfelt, like honestly, like should I shed it here?
Yeah. I'll have to show it on camera later.
Yeah. Oh, it's so nice, guys. And then also, what else did we get? Oh, I also got candles because I'm gonna try. I'm not gonna like label it as a DIY video because I know I'm gonna mess it up.
Challenge.
Yeah, like, you know, I done the pottery that time. I was like, I tried to do pottery.
When did you do pottery?
Like over lockdown.
Did you?
Yeah, I was influenced by Liz Benson. She done like these really cool like pottery things, and I was like, oh, I can do that. So, no, I couldn't. So I had an intention of doing like a DIY video, but then it was just chaos through the whole thing. So I ended up just labeling it as I tried. And then I'm going to do the same thing with these candlesticks because I really want to see if it works out, but I just have a feeling I'm going to end up snapping it or something. I don't feel like it's good. I feel like it's not going to be as smooth as everyone else's, but
bendy.
Yeah, but I'm going to try. It might put one of them in Tara's room.
That fucking image out of your head right now.
And then also, got some vegan pizza, vegan burgers. I think that's it. Tara got us a nice little perfume.
I did.
Don't show it. Oh my god, my arm is just so sore today. Oh god, the life of an athlete. I was doing like these weights.
Sure.
And then I was also doing the ones where you go up like that. Like, so you go up and then down and up and then down. And then also these ones where you kind of go 1, 2, and you do like each for like 15 reps or something.
Okay, Rob Lipstick, calm down. This is the perfume.
Oh, and you go.
No. That's gonna annoy me now. I'll probably take
Again,
that off.
I'm not being rude by not including Tara in the frame. She doesn't want to be in the frame, so that's on her.
Not camera ready.
Oh my god, you could put it on like your chain.
Oh my gosh, yeah. Throw it off. Like a little dog collar.
Aw, cute. Cute. Where'd you get that, Tara? 'Cause I need to pick one of them
Yeah,
up.
it's an original.
Oh, I suppose you could also put it to, like, on an earring.
Oh, it smells rank.
You can't even smell it.
I know, but it smells like everything.
I think this smells very nice.
It smells like everything else.
Normally them celebrity perfumes are like not nice. Rihanna's ones I don't think are nice. Even though she's known for smelling nice. But her perfume that she uses costs like €300. So this is the perfume, by the way. Just have a little kind of a better look at it. Ew, I don't like my face in the background. It's very intense looking. And then let me just give it a quick spray.
Why is it so far away?
Because I need to get in camera, right?
That's gonna be so ugly.
Oh my god, I was like, I didn't know I was going to spray that in you until I seen you in the camera like this. And it's a nice little box. Ariana Grande, you done well.
Yeah, because she
Everyone-
really is looking for my praise.
She is. She is. That's all that she needs to sleep at night, is to know that Tara's happy with how
I got a loofah.
her perfume smells. Yeah, like, it's like you're basically getting a free like decor thing, like, you know, like a little accessory with each purchase. So, you know, Ariana Grande, you need, like, oh my god, I remember the ad for that perfume. Remember she had on these like earrings that had like a kind of fur ball thing on them? I bet that's that. Yeah, so she had 2 of these, and this also has like a little, oh there you go.
This is what the fuck is wrong with him?
I know, honestly.
It's been a slow news day.
Dean got me this for Christmas. This one here. It's very cute. And it works well with my one that I wear all the time. I'm just wearing like a corduroy shirt today. And also, oh my god, where's my chain? Oh my god, oh there it is, okay. Went inside my top. My chain also. Yeah, very entertaining, guys, I know. Like, this is very entertaining. And yeah, we're gonna go whenever this fucking Chinese is ready. We're gonna go home and eat.
Delicious.
This actually is delicious. Right, okay, right.
Just get the string off. And then
Okay, right. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, god, it smells, doesn't it?
I can't smell anything.
It smells like smoke or something, I don't even know. For Nashville, there's like a little kind of loop walk you can do. And there's like a little seat thing here, so you can have like a picnic. And let's look out into that. Like, oh my goodness, gorgeous. Very windy walk though, like especially today. Like my hair is a mess. But you know what, it's nice, it's actually very nice. I didn't even know this loop even existed, to be honest, but it's nice. From the walk now, having an apple. So I'm just making myself some soup. This is like the kind of ingredients that are in it. There's courgette, sun-dried tomatoes, mushroom, carrot, peppers, onion. Also need to add some garlic. But then I'm going to put in this and a can of coconut milk. And then that'll be it. Or maybe 2 of these, I don't really know yet, just depends. Because I've run out of tomatoes, so I'm gonna make it work.